In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to practice in NBA 2K26. So first of all, go to Learn 2K section, and on this tab, we'll see different types of options. So if you wanna do beginner training, then you can go into beginner tutorial and they'll guide you all the fundamentals of the game. If you wanna do intermediate training, then you can go into that option. If you wanna do advanced training, such as if you wanna choose any particular skill and you wanna work on that, then you can select the advanced tutorial option, and under it you can choose the skill you wanna do. So let's say I wanna improve my defense, then for that I can go to the defense by pressing LT or L2 key on PlayStation, and I can choose the defense skill I wanna work on, and then they will show me an example and I can follow along. Now let's say I wanna practice on my own, then for that I can select the freestyle option, and from here pick your team, then click on start game, and then it will take you to the court, and on this court you can practice on your own. So you can see currently I am the only one on this court and I can practice all the shots I wanna practice here, like so. Basically it's me and the basketball, and I can practice whatever shots I wanna practice here. So this was the freestyle option. If you wanna play with computer so that you can practice, then for that go to the last option, which is scrimmage, and under it again pick your team and then start your game, and you can see computer is my opponent and I can practice with it. So this is the complete process. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.